Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OMG network. In my last video, we were watching that OMG network broke out a very strong trendline resistance on the daily time frame, and it was testing the previous resistance as a support. Right now, it is still using the previous resistance as a support and moving above this resistance. So in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line will break down the support or it will be reversed bullish from here. And before starting the analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. Okay, let me just show you first of all this idea that I shared on 6th of October for my members at the Patreon, and I also shared with you as well in my previous video. And the price line on the hourly time frame chart broke out this resistance of the down channel, and I defined the targets as per the upcoming resistance lines. And I'm just going to play the chart. You can see that the price line moved down, tested this support, and moved up again and hit this sell target. That was our first target, and then moved down again and even broke down this support line. Right now, the price line on the, if we watch on the daily time frame, it has also broken out a very strong resistance that I showed you in my previous video as well. And the price line, while having correction, it was testing the previous resistance as a support. Right now, the price line is moved a little bit more down, and it is still testing this previous resistance as a support. So far, this support is not broken down. And I also shared a cup and handle formation as well that was previously formed on this same daily time frame chart. And this was the body of the cup, and here we had the resistance, and this was the handle of the cup that was retraced up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. If I place this Fibonacci tool from this bottom up to this breakout point, then you can see that the handle of the cup was moved down up to 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. And if I place the trend line from this bottom of the cup up to this top and place it at here at this breakout point, or the resistance of the cup, then our next expected target is $21. And now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, then right now on the 4-hourly time frame, the price action has formed another bullish reversal. Why I'm saying it as a bullish reversal? Because it is considered as a bullish reversal, this falling wedge pattern among the traders community. Most of the times the price line breaks out the resistance rather than breaking down the support of the falling wedge. Therefore, I'm calling it as a bullish reversal. And at the same time, we also have the formation of the cup and handle, and the price line has already broken out this resistance of the cup, retesting this very strong trend line support, and also retesting the previous resistance of the cup as well. So right now there is a very strong probability that the price line will have a reversal. And now if we want the target of this falling wedge, in case of breakout, the price line can reach here approximately at $18. But our target as per this cup and handle is still $21 approximately. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.